Over here in Matli area of Badin district in Pakistan's southern Sindh province, the China-aided tents have been helping the IDPs here in getting the basic education and health services. Let's take a look.
Around 95 China-aided tents were installed in the area where 581 people are currently living, including 379 children.
तो हम इस टेंट सिटी की वजह से हम यहाँ मुख्तलिफ इंशाल्लाह बच्चों को पढ़ाएंगे। सर ये यहाँ सारे बच्चे भी जो गरीब हैं ना यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी तालीम पर आते हैं और मेहनत भी बहुत अच्छी करते हैं, यहाँ पे अच्छा लिखते हैं, अच्छा पढ़ते हैं और लिख भी अच्छा लेते हैं।
According to a health official, almost all IDPs are malnourished and presently suffering from illnesses such as dengue, skin infections, headache and body aches. In the wake of the health crisis, a clinic has also been established in the Matli's tent camp using 2 China-donated tents. One of the tents is being used for patient examination while the other is a pharmacy where all medicines are provided free of charge to the IDPs.
I would like to express my gratitude to the people of China, to the government of China, because China has always been Pakistan's long-lasting friend, has always helped Pakistan in terms of crisis, particularly whenever a disaster has struck Pakistan. So, keeping that tradition alive, the government was one of the few countries that approached Pakistan, extended their help in terms of good. As you can see, the tent city has also been established with their cooperation assistance.
चाइना के भाइयों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। चाइना के भाइयों को बहुत शुक्रिया।
पाक चीन दोस्ती जिंदाबाद। पाक चीन दोस्ती जिंदाबाद।